Well, the first half of the calendar year 2023 is over and D Street investors are not really complaining, and that's despite a very volatile start to this year. Equity investors in fact have turned richer by over 14 lakh crore rupees during this first half of 2023, as the Sensex and the Nifty both managed to end the last trading session of the first half of calendar year 2023 on a record high note. Now, benchmark indices ended higher by almost 6% each. Now, Indian markets did top the US markets as well in returns in the first half. Although the Dow Jones had only given a return of about 2.5%, we did see that Japan's Nikkei 225 index had outpaced the global markets so far in 2023. The index gained nearly 25% on a year-to-date basis. It was then followed by Germany's DAX. This index was up by 14%. And the benchmark French stock market index CAC 40 that gave a return of 12%, even though the Indian stock markets were up about 6% each on Sensex and the Nifty. Meanwhile, the market cap of the BSE listed firms increased to an all-time high level of 297 lakh crore rupees as on June 30th of 2023, and that's versus the comparison of 282 lakh crore rupees that was seen on December 30th of last year. Now, foreign institutional investors have poured in more than 60,000 crore rupees in equities during this January to June 2023 period. And on the other hand, we've seen that the net investment of domestic institutional investors has stood at 83,964 crore rupees on a year-to-date basis if we calculate until June of 2023. Now, among the BSE sectoral indices, we've seen that the realty and the capital goods sectors have in fact gained about 20% each on a year-to-date basis, so outperforming the rest. Autos, FMCG, the healthcare and consumer durables, all of these indices have rallied anywhere between 7 and 20% during the same period. So which are the key stocks that have really made investors rich in this first half of the calendar year? Now, when we talk about the large cap gainers, with a rally of more than 60%, ABB India has gained most among large caps during the January to June period. Now, this was followed by Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Company and also Tata Motors, which gained more than 50% each during this period. Hindustan Aeronautics, ITC, Siemens, Trent, Interglobe Aviation, even Bajaj Auto and DLF also gained anywhere between 30 and 50% since December of 2022. Now, among the mid caps here, the shares of Aurobindo Pharma, also Paytm parent company 197 Communications, has soared more than 60% each during the first 6 months of 2023. Apart from this, we've seen KPIT Technologies, PB Fintech, Power Finance Corporation, REC, L&T Finance Holdings, and even Polycab India and M&M Financial Services, and even Cummins India gaining anywhere between 35 and 60% during this period. While among the small caps, if you ask, the lesser known players including Remedium Lifecare and Pulsar International advanced 2,500% each in the first half of calendar year 2023. Now, the big question is, will the second half of this calendar year be even better? Well, on the benchmark level, experts believe that they do see in the medium to short to medium term period 19,500 to 19,900 on the cards, and these will be the levels to watch. However, most of the experts do say that investors must still remain invested in case they have a long-term vision. For short-term investors, these high levels could be seen as something that you could use to book your profits out. That's what most of the experts have told us on Business Today TV.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.